Hi, my name is Sarah Francis, and today I will be presenting my cultural square. Some of my characteristics are that I am patient, sympathetic, and persistent. This is a picture of my family. This is my mom, my dad, and my sister. Her name is Liz. Uh, this is my mom's side of the family. Uh, they're from Peru. And my dad's side of the family is second generation German. My family is very mixed. I also have a cousin who's not in that picture who is half Asian. Millersville and the YMCA have been a huge part of my life. I did my undergrad at Millersville and graduated with a degree in psychology. The YMCA has been a huge part of my life. I've worked at a before and after school program there with children and have recently started working with the wellness department there. Some of my talents are that I do Zumba and that I speak a little bit of Spanish. Some of my goals are that I would ultimately like to become an early childhood education teacher and possibly with a specialty in ESL, ELL, or special education. I would like to become more fluent in Spanish and also become a Zumba instructor. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to taking this class with you. Bye.